Today, we're taking a look at the Calsonic Skyline GTR 2003 kit from Tamiya. B124 scale curbside kit. Released in 2004, the last of the three new Super GT Skyline kits. Initially, tooling started in 2003 as the Exonovi Nismo GTR. In 2004, the Exonovi Special Edition was reissued. It is today's What's in the Box. Getting started with the body. And now we're taking a look at parts tree B, which is some interior pieces, body pieces, molded in blue. So up here we have the rear wing, part of the roll cage, vent piece, the wing inlets. Here we have the left side of the roll cage, the body bits, the tank. And here we have body pieces. One side is the fuel filler, top part of the roll cage. Here we have the right side of the roll cage, more body pieces, the vent pieces that go in the hood. Parts tree C is up next. This one is molded in white and has more suspension pieces, the wheels, inside fender wheels for the front axles, the jacks, rear tail light, part of the tail lights there, tow hooks. Take a look at the wheels now. You see you have the brakes, brake rotors, rear axle, top part of the rear axle anyways. Exhaust pipes. Over here you have the spindles. Suspension pieces, tie rods, axle rods, pedals, gear shift. Getting started with parts tree A, which is a little mix of interior, chassis, suspension parts. I'll take a look at the interior bucket. Here we have two steering wheels, rear mirror, part of the dash, the second part of the steering column, mirrors and antenna. And we have a wiper. Back here we have the rear wheel well, rear part of the chassis piece, as well as the interior door panels. Here we have the front headlight bucket grille ducting, goes behind the fascia piece, the dash, which has basically no detail, it's just a dash. Now we're going to turn our attention to the raised slick tires. See the poly caps in the bag. Now we're going to take a look at parts trees D, E, and F, which should be the clear and transparent clear parts trees. First D, the clear. So you have the front and side window piece, headlight lenses, rear window, side rear windows, the B-pillar windows, headlight projector lenses there, our pieces there. Now we have E, which will be the taillight lenses, the main part of the taillight lenses, and then F, which will be welded in orange, which will be the turn signal lenses, indicators for the front and rear. And now we're going to take a look at the decals and other last bit of detail items. First, we have the window mask sheet, mesh screen for doing the vents, metal transfers for the mirrors, GTR badge and a Nissan badge, and a set of tire wet transfers, Bridgestone Potenzas. Now we're going to take a look at the decal sheet. Top you have the Calsonic decals, seatbelt decals, sponsor decals, other various decals. And these are printed by Cartograph, so they're nice quality in decals. So that is going to do it for this look at the Calsonic Skyline GTR 2003 kit from Tamiya for the Super GT series. So, on that note, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.